In autism, there are a lot of sensory issues. In that condition, walking barefoot on a pebbles really gives a lot of sensory inputs to the child. Make your child walk on a dry surface as well as on a wet surface. Let your child rub his feet on the ground. That will improve his sensory system. It helps to resolve many sensory issues. Walking on different textures makes your child increase the sensation. Now walking on the pebbles, that is another texture. The children who are facing toe walking issues, this really is going to help them. Now walking on the green grass, it is a fresh grass. Let your child stand on the grass, jump or hop in the grass. Walking on grass on a barefoot is a very good exercise to improve sensation. It helps to stimulate a lot of nerve endings. The children who are facing toe walking issues or other sensory issues, walking on a grass is really going to help them. Make your child walk on a grass for at least 30 minutes in a day. That will improve his sensory needs and his overall development also. Thank you so much from Dr. Darshita. Goodbye.